Have you heard of Rebuilding Together Henry County? It's an incredible nonprofit serving homeowners in need by providing home repairs like wheelchair ramps and other modifications to help keep our neighbors safe in their own homes. And they just completed a project of their own that Village Home Stores was able to help with. We donated cabinetry and work surfaces for this brand new building in Atkinson, Illinois. Plus connected them with other needed materials for this amazing new facility. And we weren't the only ones who helped. Geneseo, Illinois, and many surrounding area businesses and families all contributed to make this project happen and to help set Rebuilding Together up for a busy future. These volunteers have already built over 200 ramps for our neighbors in the past 10 years, and now they're gearing up to launch a reuse adaptive medical equipment loan program. If you have any questions or want to help with this cause, please reach out to them. Their information can all be found right here.